IELTS Speaking Part 2 topic. Describe a time when you had to learn a new skill or acquire new knowledge. What was the skill or knowledge you needed to learn? Why did you need to learn it? How did you go about learning it? How has it been beneficial to you?
Learning is a lifelong journey that often presents us with the exhilarating challenge of acquiring new skills and knowledge. A vivid memory that stands out in this regard is the time I decided to delve into the art of culinary craftsmanship, an endeavor that not only awakened my taste buds but also broadened my horizons. The skill that I set out to acquire was that of gourmet cooking, a realm that had always fascinated me. The allure of transforming ordinary ingredients into delectable creations ignited a spark within me. The decision to learn gourmet cooking was driven by my sheer passion for fine dining experiences and the desire to unravel the secrets behind exquisite dishes. The need to learn this skill was twofold. First, I sought to surprise and delight my family and friends by serving them restaurant-quality meals right at home. Second, I yearned to develop a unique form of self-expression by mastering the culinary arts, which could serve as an enjoyable hobby or even a potential career path. Embarking on this culinary journey, I adopted a multifaceted approach to learning. Initially, I scoured the internet for culinary tutorials and video demonstrations that elucidated the techniques of gourmet cooking. I absorbed various cooking methodologies, ranging from precision knife skills to intricate flavor pairings. My quest for mastery also led me to enroll in a local culinary workshop, where I could receive hands-on guidance and interact with seasoned chefs. The benefits of acquiring this new culinary skill have been manifold. Firstly, it has immensely enriched my gastronomic repertoire, allowing me to prepare dishes that were once beyond my reach. The sheer joy of witnessing my loved ones relishing the meals I create is truly unparalleled. Secondly, the process of mastering gourmet cooking has kindled my creativity and taught me the significance of meticulous attention to detail. This newfound skill has also served as a wonderful stress reliever, offering me a therapeutic outlet to unwind after a demanding day. In conclusion, the journey of learning gourmet cooking stands as a remarkable chapter in my life. It has not only gratified my palate but also empowered me with a valuable skill that I cherish dearly. Through a combination of online resources and hands-on training, I ventured into the world of culinary artistry. This endeavor has gifted me with the ability to craft exquisite meals, infusing a sense of accomplishment and joy into my daily routine. The pursuit of this skill showcases how the acquisition of new knowledge can be both a fulfilling journey and a doorway to personal growth. Hope you liked our video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated.